Hey YouTube, Bert Billy here. Behind me is the Harbor Freight 10x17 portable garage or portable storage shed, if that's how you're going to use it. In this case, we're going to use it to store a tractor that we want to keep out of the elements. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the complete start to finish setup of this project, and I'm also going to cut in and out and cover some tips so that you can avoid some massive headaches while you're All right, so cover's on. I'm gonna go freehand here. I wanna show you a couple tips or tricks to get this thing on that'll save you some time when you're doing it. So one of the things I did is the directions call to have those bottom crossbars installed first. But then you're gonna have to take them apart to attach them to the tent. So rather than put something on to take it apart again, I cut that corner out. I just temped in the legs. Now what we're gonna do is just connect the crossbars in now at the end. So you can do it either way, but this will save you some time if you're in a hurry. Also, another thing, make sure you have a taller ladder in there. You're gonna need something to help you get up there. There's some height on this, especially the way I'm doing it on this one, where we're correcting for the ground being out of level. In the build, when you're finalizing things, you're gonna be putting on the brackets for the crossbars. I'm gonna go freehand here again. Found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.